I still got 9 minutes and 11 seconds left.
Can't use all that.
I know, I'm horrible. Well, I'm waiting until you get done, and then once you get done, I'll quit.
Okay. You have like 6 seconds.
Yeah, see, that looks like there's something out there, like a microburst or something. My weather radio hasn't gone off. Oh wow. Okay, because you look at the shape of it, it's at an angle. Usually, when you see that, that means there's a downburst forming or a microburst forming. Way out there. Oh, I missed that one. Nope, got that one though.
I'm ending it at 250. If it goes all that way. It ends at 246. I don't know.
Just calm out here with the little bit of wind.
Okay, done.
You're done? Okay, let me go to about 2 minutes here. Oh, there we go.
Cool. Just I have 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. I don't know why it's saying that.
Watch. When we leave, there's going to be more good stuff.
And you'll probably have to come back. There was a good one.
Yeah, but I think I missed that one. There we go.
Oh!
I think I might have gotten that one on the very edge. I'm telling you, Jamie, there's something out there. It's got to be a microburst out there. The way it's shaped. It looks clearly like a microburst.
Okay, back to video. I'm turning favorites my butt. 449.
You're still gonna go?
For a little bit.
Oh God.
2 more minutes.
That's what you said 2 minutes ago.
No, then we'll really have to go.
Yeah, Ethan's gonna get pissed at us.
He'll probably get pissed at me more than you.
Well, oh, there we go, got that. Well, I'm sorry, but, you know, storms do come first.
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn that off. No point in leaving that on.
You know what else really bothers me sometimes when I need alone time? I hope I said that loud enough.
Boom, boom. I couldn't get all that.
It's coming. It just won't go.
Like I said, it looks like it's just sitting there. It's been sitting there for a while.
Oh, I love that sound.
Oh, there we go. That's good. That's a beaut. I'm going to have to really analyze these lightning videos.
There's a small one over there.
Where?
Like right over there.
Keep your eye to that southwest flank,
Over there?
like at the leading edge, because like I said, it looks like there's a microburst trying to form.
Over here?
No, not west, southwest. The flank, the leading edge.
Yeah.
You'll see it. It looks it curves. You'll see a curve. See right there.
Right there?
Did you see it?
Mm-hmm. It's like right about there?
No, over here. That way. You know where that red light is at?
Mm-hmm. That's what I've been pointing at the whole time.
That's where I'm talking about. That's heat lightning over there.
You think that's a microburst?
It's possible. To me, it looked like one. Ooh, there we go. That was good.
It's just that one whole corner right there.
Yeah, it's just sitting there. Wayne said it was moving southeast.
Either it just wants to stay there and then move. Ooh, that was cool.
No, well, Wayne told me that it's moving southeast at 6. But
at 6 miles an hour?
yeah, but the way I've been looking at it is that it's been sitting there.
For like a long time.
Because if it was moving towards us, or moving, you know...
That was cool. Did you see that?
Yeah, just little forks. Just little forks.
But what?
It would have already dominated us, and we would have been seeing a lot of heavy rain. But I don't see that it's moving. It's just sitting there. Or if it's moving extremely slow. And who knows where in the hell it's moving towards.